Baccharis Halimifolia, commonly known as Eastern Baccharis or groundsel bush, is a deciduous shrub native to eastern North America. It is known for its tolerance to various soil types and conditions. If you're interested in growing Baccharis Halimifolia, here are some guidelines to help you. Planting. Choose a suitable location. Baccharis Halimifolia can tolerate a wide range of soil conditions, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. It can also grow in both full sun and partial shade. Consider the size. Baccharis Halimifolia can grow up to 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3 meters, in height and spread, so ensure you have enough space for its mature size. Watering. Baccharis Halimifolia is known for its tolerance to both wet and dry conditions. Once established, it can tolerate drought periods but will appreciate regular watering during extended dry spells. During the initial stages after planting, make sure to provide sufficient water to help the shrub establish its root system. Pruning. Baccharis Halimifolia generally has a natural and attractive shape, so pruning requirements are minimal. However, if necessary, you can prune the shrub in late winter or early spring to control its size or shape. Remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches, and maintain an open form to promote good air circulation. Fertilization. Baccharis Halimifolia typically does not require regular fertilization if planted in nutrient-rich soil. However, if the soil is poor in nutrients, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the shrub, leaving space around the stem. Mulching helps conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, and provide some insulation to the root system. Use materials like wood chips, bark, or compost and ensure the mulch layer is around 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters, thick. Remember, Baccharis Halimifolia is a hardy and adaptable shrub that can thrive in various soil conditions. With proper care, it can provide ornamental value, erosion control, and habitat for wildlife in your garden or landscape.